Carolina.
Yeah.
So, first of all, there are two options, and you can pick which question you wanna reply to. But to keep intrigue, just pick one. Do you want more harsh question or a bit more
Harsh.
mild? Okay. What is some weird thing the other person can do which turns you on?
Weird.
Yeah, like you think that it's something like specific to you. I mean, driving Mercedes is not something really special, something different.
There are options.
Like spitting.
Yeah, he knows.
Okay, no options. Then turn me on.
Yeah, you get attracted to that person, like, oh, he fights a bill.
Like okay, I know. If he do, or it can be like he looks something like.
Yeah.
So if he has some. Little,
Wears glasses.
no, like if he has little disability, some kind of. Like you know, that
How big?
eyes are looking
Like full autistic.
from one direction a little bit.
Cross-eyed. Very cool.
Exactly.
So you should look for your love in the hospital, don't you?
Actually, a good idea.
Yeah, you can become the nurse. You'll be like, maybe the homeless shelter. I think there are a lot of ill people. Oh, so you'll be the one who would be happy to, to go to the after party there. Yeah. Uncovered. Well, thank you for the honesty. Let's clap, because that's usually what people say at the stage. Your friend, would you like to give some spicy answers? Or maybe you could, you can reply, you can pick like more gentle question if you want.
I don't have any ideas. Maybe next question.
Okay, what's your favorite food? That's, don't say saliva.
But it's not funny.
Huh?
I don't have a favorite food. It's like every day there is something like
So she says that there is no specific favorite food she has. Okay. I guess we have something like creativeness here. What's your least favorite food?
Oh, what are they called? The roe, like the eggs of the fish.
Caviar?
Yes, also.
Oh, so you hate money! Okay, and is there any story behind it? Like you were a little kid, some stranger came up to you, like, do you want a lollipop? Or it's just me?
Like one time, I got like a poison from that.
Mhm.
So yeah, not very interesting.
Okay, guys, so do not buy caviar in Lithuania. I guess they take it from some weird fish. Okay, that was not very vulnerable, but I guess like average clap. Don't clap too much, but maybe a little bit, like. Okay, I think we have time for maybe one more person. So, any volunteer who would like to answer? Okay, would you like to answer a spicy question?
Harsh.
Harsh. Yeah. So, what's something what turns you on when the other person is doing?
When another person is being funny.
I mean,
Are you turned on?
you must be super dry right now, and I think you're in the right place. You're in the right place to understand that you do not want to date comedians.
It's too late, I'm married to one.
Well, my sincere condolences. Thank you very much, Max. Here you can find yourself there, and thank you.
Hey, give it a go for Max! Alright, we learned a lot. So you don't like caviar?
On the sides of me, apart from beautiful bakery, which is apparently a bit harmful but at the same time super tasty, there are also a couple of videos which you can check out in order to get more information, have more fun, and basically spend time in the useful way. Here and here. Cheers.